This is the NBAF No Bump series from Balco, a flush-mounted floor expansion joint system engineered to create smooth, seamless transitions without bumps or tripping hazards. The plate is made from directionally textured aluminum or stainless steel and built to handle pedestrian loads. It sits flush with the floor, creating a clean transition and eliminating tripping hazards. A centering bar beneath the plate keeps it aligned during movement, staying secure even with plus or minus 100% joint expansion. Now, let's walk through how to install the NBAF system. For full instructions and technical data, visit balcousa.com. Step 1. Preparation. The floor must include recessed channels or blockouts to hold the NBAF system flush. Clean the blockouts of any loose material. Ensure the area is level and meets the required dimensions. Step 2 is drilling. Mark and drill anchor locations using the base members as templates. For concrete, remove the base member before drilling. Repeat for each base member and both sides of the joint. For exterior systems, leave a gap between base members for thermal expansion. For interior systems, no gap is needed. Base members can be butted together. Step 3 is installing the water and fire barriers, following the instructions provided on our website. Step 4. Securing. Secure the base members using the provided anchors. Position carefully, align with the joint, and drill to fasten. Repeat on both sides. With base members installed, move on to sealing. For exterior systems, apply silicone into gaps between base members. Apply a continuous layer of grout between base members and blockout edges. Distribute grout evenly for a clean finish. This seals the system and ensures durability. Now install the centering bars. Locate the notch in the center of each base member. Insert one end of the centering bar into the notch. Insert the other end into the opposite base member. Install all required centering bars, making sure they're parallel and aligned with the bolt holes for the cover plate. Reference the cover plate's bolt holes for a mount and positioning. With centering bars in place, install the cover plate. Position the cover plate next to the joint, aligning it with the base member and bolt holes. Then, use a square ruler to align the holes of the centering bars to the holes of the cover plate. Place the cover plate into position. Check that the holes are aligned. Attach the cover plate to the centering bars using the provided bolts. Tighten each bolt by hand until snug. Repeat for each section of the cover plate until the joint is fully covered. Step 7. Floor finish. Install the final floor finish according to the manufacturer's instructions. That's the NBAF system from Balco. To learn more, visit balcousa.com.